right. Got the metal trim in, rocks pulled back some. Not too difficult. All the way around. And what I found is where the joints are, where it overlaps. Use a pair of vice grips to hold it in place after you get the stakes kind of set, but not actually anchored down in the dirt. Worked out pretty good. Start filling it back in with rock. Already sprayed weed killer. This was another concern that I had at the very edge of this, so we cut it at an angle and then drove it down in so it's not pointy sharp anymore. All in all, I'm happy with it so far. Haven't touched the other side yet. A few more hours of work on this side and that'll be wrapped up. But next on my agenda is to knock this bush down. Not take it out. Just make it look like crap. It's so overgrown. I'll get to that today.